Hello students. So very important public notice of 21st May 2025 by NTA. Now this is the notice. This is the notice by NTA dated 21st of May 2025 regarding the retest for CUT 2025 accountancy paper conducted during 13th to 16th May 2025. Now in continuation to the public notice dated 19th of May, candidates who have already appeared for the accountancy paper during 13th to 16th May will be given an opportunity to either retain their examination or to reappear in the revised question paper pattern. Such candidates who have already appeared in the above said test during 13th to 16th May and wish to appear in the retest will have to take note of the following. Very, very important conditions. Please understand before you finally decide for the retest. This opportunity is provided only to the candidates who appeared for the accountancy paper in CUT 2025 held on 13th May 2025 to 16th May 2025. Second condition, once the candidate will appear for the retest, his final NTA score will be solely based on the score obtained in the retest of the accountancy. The score from the first attempt will be disregarded. तो आप अगर श्योर हो कि आप बेटर परफॉर्म करोगे द टेस्ट विच यू हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन फ्रॉम 13 टू 16 अगर उससे ज्यादा बेटर परफॉर्म करोगे रीटेस्ट में तब ही आप रीटेस्ट देना. If a candidate confirms participation in the retest but fails to appear, the candidate will be marked as absent in the exam and no score will be considered for the accountancy paper. तो अगर एक बार रीटेस्ट के लिए you say yes, then you have to appear, you cannot be absent. तो इस चीज का भी ध्यान रखना. If the candidate does not apply for retest, the scores obtained in the test conducted during 13th to 16th May 25 shall be considered as final score. The candidates who are interested to appear in the retest are required to give their consent on below link latest by 23rd May 2025 till 1 p.m. This is the link. Okay. Further details regarding the date, time and center of the retest will be communicated well in advance and will be available on the official website of NTA. The candidates are also advised to keep visiting NTA websites for the latest updates regarding the exam. ठीक है, तो कंडीशन समझ लो. Once the candidate will appear for the retest, her final NTA score will be solely based on the score obtained in the retest of accountancy. The score from the first attempt will be disregarded. Very, very important condition. And if a candidate confirms participation in the retest but fails to appear, the candidate will be marked as absent in the exam and no score will be considered for the accountancy paper. ठीक है, तो सोच समझ के, राइट. और अगर आप नहीं देते हो रीटेस्ट तो scores obtained in the test conducted during 13 to 16 May shall be considered as final score. Now, many students have asked me, sir, should we give the retest? Now, let's understand the scenarios. Yes, there were 2-3 questions on computerized accounting system. If you are only attempting for retest for 1 or 2 questions of computerized accounting system, assuming the remaining questions you attempted well, और आपके 45 questions के attempt है out of 50 let's say, और पेपर अच्छा गया है, तो 1-2 questions के लिए why to think of retest? अगर आपका पेपर खराब हुआ है and you think you will have an improvement of 15-20 marks, आपको लगता है, तो आप रीटेस्ट सोचिए. और अगर पेपर खराब हुआ है तो फिर जरूर, डेफिनेटली इट्स अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी. बट अगर आप रीटेस्ट दे रहे हो तो समझो आपके कुछ एग्जाम्स लेट्स से पेंडिंग है, लेट्स से कुछ एग्जाम्स अभी और होने हैं. यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन दोज एग्जाम्स, यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर देम, रिवाइजिंग फॉर देम. इफ यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ रीटेस्ट ऑफ अकाउंटेंसी, एक और पेपर ऐड हो जाएगा, देना तो पड़ेगा बिकॉज आप एब्सेंट नहीं हो सकते हो, देना तो पड़ेगा ही पड़ेगा, तो वो भी एडेड प्रेशर रहेगा. ठीक है, ओनली इन केस अगर आपका पेपर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में खराब हुआ था तब ही आप रीटेस्ट दो. अदरवाइज एक क्वेश्चन के लिए, उस लालच के लिए, 5 नंबर के लालच के लिए, मुझे नहीं लगता ये सही डिसीजन होगा. फिर भी ऑब्वियसली आपको सोचना है, मेंटर से डिस्कस करो, IMS सेंटर्स में जाओ, मेंटर से डिस्कस करो क्या सही होगा. ठीक है, बट आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज 23rd May 2025 till 1 PM आपको ये डिसीजन लेना है. ठीक है, तो ऑल द बेस्ट, गॉड ब्लेस यू एंड कीप ऑन visiting IMS CUT channel for latest updates. Thank you.